As the financial year end approaches, there are 5 risk-free investment schemes offering good returns. These schemes are available only until March 31st, 2025. If the deadlines are not extended, you could miss out on these great opportunities. Let's take a look at the details of these schemes in this video. The SBI Amrit Prishti scheme is offering a 444-day fixed deposit plan with the following interest rates. These are 7.25 interest rate for general public, 7.7% interest for senior citizens. Second is the SBI Amrit Kalash scheme, which is a 400-day fixed deposit plan providing impressive returns as 7.10% interest for general citizens, 7.60% interest for senior citizens. Third is the Mahila Samman Savings Certificate, which is a government-backed savings scheme designed to encourage women to invest and save. Its features include a fixed deposit tenure of 2 years, a lucrative 7.50% interest rate. Fourth is the Utsav Callable FD from IDBI Bank, which offers varied tenures ranging from 300 to 700 days. Here is a breakdown of the interest rates for 300 days. It has 7.05% for general citizens, 7.55% for senior citizens and super senior citizens. For 375 days, it has 7.25% for common investors, 7.75% for senior investors, 7.90% for super senior citizens. For 444 days, it has 7.35% for common citizens, 7.85% for senior citizens, 8.00% for super senior citizens. Whereas for 555 days, it has 7.40% for common citizens, 7.90% for senior citizens and 8.05% for super senior citizens. Whereas for 700 days, it has 7.20% for common citizens, 7.70% for senior citizens, 7.85% for super senior citizens. Last is the Indian Bank, which offers 2 special fixed deposit plans with impressive rates. First is the IND Supreme, which has 7.05% for general investors, 7.55% for senior citizens, 7.80% for super senior citizens. Second is the IND Super for 400 days, which has 7.30% for general investors, 7.80% for senior citizens, and 8.05% for super senior citizens. With impressive interest rates and risk-free investment, these schemes are opportunities to maximize your savings. However, the deadlines are fast approaching. For more such informative videos, do follow Zee Business.